welcome back to another video. So this is another vlog where I am starting this video in my car because I've driven somewhere. So where am I? Okay, so I'm in Southampton today, and I mean, as soon as you hear the word Southampton you probably know what's coming. But I am doing another ship tour today. I've been invited to go on board Queen Anne. So for those of you who don't know Queen Anne, she is Cunard's newest ship. So let's go on board Queen Anne. I am back from Queen Anne. Oh my gosh, isn't she stunning? She is a beautiful, beautiful ship. Like, she's so classic, but also got sort of a modern contemporary vibe. She does feel still a lot like Cunard, but still modern. I think she will have and cater to sort of all ages. There is that stigma that Cunard's only for sort of the older generation, but I really don't think that's the case, especially with Queen Anne. Like, there is, honestly, there is something to do for everyone, really. She's just so amazing. If you have any questions about Queen Anne, the ship, anything you want to know about Cunard, please comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you're going on Queen Anne anytime, if you've got a voyage booked, let me know. I want to hear all about it. So I hope you enjoyed coming around for a ship tour with me on Queen Anne, and I will see you in another video.